Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again to another fantastic video. My name is Sam. Today's topic, I'm going to talk about what are the benefits of intermittent fasting. So for some of you, who doesn't know, who have never heard of intermittent fasting, or I've never even doesn't know how to do it, I will talk you through the process and show you my results uh, when I was doing intermittent fasting. Some evidence still of how it can really work. Here's what I did, okay? Okay. Now, instead of just going straight into a fast, a lot of you that have never done a fast before, I would recommend doing it in steps. So here's the first thing I did. I started with one day a week where I would either wouldn't eat for 16 hours or I would skip a meal for one day. And then once I've done the first and second week, and then I will go to the following week or the week after that, and maybe do a 2-day, where I would eat for 16 hours and then break my fast right after the 16 hours. So a great example would be, let's say you wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. Some of you might have your first meal at 12. But I prefer to have my first meal at 12. I skip breakfast completely altogether. And then you could either have your last meal at 6 p.m. And if you don't feel like you could do that, you can push it maybe a little bit, maybe to 8 or 10, whatever suits your schedule or whatever you feel like you can do. I would pace it so you could either start with maybe not a 16-hour fast, it could be a 12-hour fast, and then slowly as the weeks go by, bring that number down to from 12. So bring the number up rather. So from 12, you can go to 14, then 16. And after that, your body would have adjusted for you to be able to take up intermittent fasting. Okay, so I am gonna tell you what you could eat. You can pretty much eat whatever you feel within reason. And the reason I say that is because this is just a new journey, and I'll get into more balanced diet later on as this channel comes along. Okay, just a side note, if you're already super skinny, it might not be the best for you to do intermittent fasting. Always consult your doctor or some sort of health practitioner that could advise you. Okay. Now, here are some known benefits of its weight loss. When I was trying to lose weight, for a very long time, I was going to the gym, but I'll still have maybe fat around my neck or my face, should I say. And the reason why I recommend intermittent fasting, it gives your body a break. Now let's take, for example, a car. Let's say you bought a brand new car and you drove that car every single day for miles and miles. Your body has taken advantage. And without consideration of maintenance or resting, So what intermittent fasting does, it gives your body a break from eating for a period of time, a long period of time, for it to repair itself, to fix any dead cells that need to be fixed, or it will eat up any dead cells that could cause cancer in your body and repair itself. Now, let's get into As I mentioned, weight loss is one of the benefits. If you're trying to lose weight, maybe you're trying to lose weight, let's say, side note, maybe you have an event coming up. If you've already done the fasting for a while and you have a dress you want to squeeze in, you can skip one meal, you could do 2-day fast, you could do a water fast. I would always recommend to have some sort of water. You could have maybe tea if you choose to. For your first couple of fasts, you can have black coffee. Just don't have anything that would break your fast, maybe like Coca-Cola or fizzy drinks for now. Now, the second benefit is the lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Okay. Intermittent fasting also has a prevention for diabetes. And not only does it help with weight loss, but research has shown it can reduce insulin resistance. So, by giving your body a chance to slow down and recover, you also give yourself a lower chance of type 2 diabetes. Now, improved healthy heart function. Now, another research has shown that found that intermittent fasting could improve aspects of cardiovascular health. I will leave the link in this video just to, if you want to do your own research, just for medical reason and just to source my site. Okay, and here are some of the benefits when it comes to your heart. Intermittent fasting could decrease the following: blood pressure, heart rate, cholesterol. I'm gonna attempt to pronounce the last one. Triglyceride, correct? Triglyceride are the types of fat present in the blood that link to heart disease. So not only does it help your heart, it also reduces your risk of having heart attack. Improve brain health. This is my favorite part of intermittent fasting, where it's because you're not eating for a very long period of time. It gives your brain or your mind to think, to clear, because your body is now using all this dead fat stored in your body for energy. It's not only using sugar or whatever you're eating. It's feeding off all the bad bacteria. It's literally cleaning up. It's using that for fuel. You'll have a better mental clarity just by doing intermittent fasting. Now, to add to that, intermittent fasting can also reduce neurological disease, such as Alzheimer's disease. For those of you who have folks that have Alzheimer's, intermittent fasting is also great to prevent that. Parkinson's disease and also stroke. This might happen in a lot of people maybe as they get older, as we age, our body starts to break down, and our body can no longer maintain itself. Doing intermittent fasting is some sort of way of doing maintenance on our body and making sure we don't overfeed or we don't overwork our body, and give our body a break to recover and to repair itself. And the fifth benefit of intermittent fasting is the reduce of cancer. There are signs that intermittent fasting may reduce risk of cancer. However, further research in humans is necessary to support this claim. As I said, I will put the link here, and you can follow up and do it and read where I'm quoting all the source from. Because intermittent, as I said previously, because intermittent fasting is a way of your body cleaning up all the dead cells, it literally goes through your entire body because it's not getting the food it needs. And the difference between intermittent fasting and hunger is you're in control when you do intermittent fasting. It's hunger is when you don't, you're no longer in control. Maybe there isn't food around. That's the biggest difference part. What it does is your body is literally just cleaning up every single dead cells that it can use and using that for fuel. If you, for a better analogy. Now, the 6 benefits of intermittent fasting changes the function of cells, genes, and hormones. There are several changes that can take place when the body. There are several changes that take place when you skip a meal for a little bit. Okay, your hormone level. The body changes hormone levels in order to make stored body fat more accessible. Okay, so when you skip a meal, let's just say your body starts using up stored body fats for energy, as opposed to using the source of food that you just had for energy. As I previously mentioned, insulin levels goes down. You also get HGH, that's human growth hormones. This promotes burning fats, muscle gain, and provide other benefits. Cellular repair. The body begins to repair all the cells, such as removing all the dead waste and material from cells. If you want to look at it as maybe the bean man coming to collect all the rubbish and just get rid of it. That's not a benefit. And gene expression. Changes to several genes occur that are beneficial for longevity. There are studies that have shown that when you actually do intermittent fasting, it goes into your mitochondria, which is part of our DNA, and repairs itself. Now, the 7th benefits of intermittent fasting is reduced stress and inflammation. So if you have stress or you have some sort of inflammation, it could be food inflammation or it could be allergies, intermittent fasting is another way to cope with that, or to reduce inflammation, or to get rid or to reduce your stress. It plays a role in aging and various other chronic conditions. Now, again, the 8th reason is induced cellular repair process. There's a thing called autophagy. When a person fasts, the body starts to break down all the cellular waste removal, and the process is called autophagy. As I previously mentioned, the body will go around collecting all the waste because it's saying, oh, there's no food. What will do? And the longer you prolong the fast, the better the result of the fast. The longer you prolong the fast, the better the result of the fast. Again, as I said, if you're a newbie or you're new to intermittent fasting, I would suggest spreading it out. I would suggest maybe you do a 2-week, maybe do a 1 day a week where you do only 12-hour fast, just for your body to get used to it. And then as time progresses, then you will get the benefits of it. Again, the 9th reason to do intermittent fasting is it reduces Alzheimer's disease. Now, a 2003 study reviews found that psychological changes that occur during intermittent fasting may help delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease. So, but doing intermittent fasting, not only can it delay Alzheimer's disease, but it can also put you in a better chance if, for some of you that are prone to Alzheimer's disease, which is also known as the type 3 type 2 diabetes. I'll get into that maybe in later video as we progress. Now, the final and the 10th reason is improved longevity. Okay? A 2017 study on Mars found that every other a 2017 study found on mouse that every other day fasting helped extend their lifespan by 13%. So you could do a fast one day and have a meal the next day, and then have another fast the other day as you're able to adapt to the fast. Now, in conclusion, always do your own research. You can always do your own research, but these are some of the known benefits. I will show you before this video ends. I will show you my result when I was doing intermittent fasting, where maybe sometimes I might do a 2-day fast, a 3-day fast, maybe do a 1-day fast. But now I've gotten to a point that I've done a 2-day fast, a 3-day fast, I've done a 4-day fast. I think I've done a 7-day fast. But after you've done 1 or 2 or 3-day fast, and I just to maintain it, I just do I just skip breakfast altogether, and I have my first meal around 12. Maybe try to have my last meal between 6 to 8, depending on how busy or tight my schedule is. Again, thank you very much for tuning in. Appreciate you taking your time to watch the video. Leave a comment below. Type subscribed if you're a new subscriber. When you type subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you.